guys, I'm so super excited today. Yay! I got my iPhone XS Max, the big one. So it was released last week in the UK, but I couldn't get it last week because the postman and all that, I was away with the weekend, so the postman came and I couldn't receive it. So finally I went to pick it up from the post office. Yay! I'm so excited, and it's still sealed. Like, it's still sealed, yet to unbox it. I'm super excited to open it. I haven't opened it since I have no makeup on, so I just got it right now, so I'm about to open it right now. So woo, I got my iPhone X Max. That's a big version, and I got the gold one. I'm gonna open it right now and I'll show you what's in the box. So let's get out to it. Okay, yeah, it's my iPhone XS Max. So I'm going to open it. That's the steel. And then let's see what is in there. Ooh, 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 ooh. That is a big one. That is a massive phone right there. I got the gold one. Whoa, this is beautiful. What inside the box is a earphone, the USB charger, and as usual, the cable for the charger. Firstly, I have to put in my SIM card. Okay, that's my SIM card. So whoops, gently. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna swipe up to open. Okay, I swipe up. Okay. I'm in the UK, so I'm gonna select United Kingdom. So I'm gonna skip all this out, then I'll come back when I'm fully updated my phone. The phone is so massive, like the thing is taking quite long to load, so it's very massive phones. I love this phone, I swear. The camera quality, let's see. Look at that. Look at that, like, look at that. This is so beautiful. Like, the picture quality is so wow. Guys, you need to get this phone. I think it's I don't know what the size is. I think it's 6 point something. This is my Samsung 6 Plus. It's massive. Like, this is huge, and you can compare with that. Like, it's so massive. Like, okay guys, there's not much to say about this. So this is just my quick review on my iPhone XS Max. Thank you guys for watching. That's much I can do for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.